Welcome, University of Calgary Clinical Instructors. This is a brief 4-minute tutorial for using the TracPrac Clinical Evaluation tool. TracPrac Digital Clinical Evaluation is a web-based access for students and instructors. The digital evaluation allows both students and instructors to add entries in a collaborative tool simultaneously. Here are the best practices for using the online evaluations in TracPrac. 1. Please limit your login access to 2 hours and reset your login after that. Manually log out and log back in again to reset that time. 2. Please use Safari on a Mac instead of Chrome and avoid Internet Explorer on a PC. And 3. Our support is available via live chat Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain. You may also call us at the toll-free number listed on the screen or email us at info@tracprac.com. Getting started for clinical instructors. To access the evaluations, once the students have begun, the clinical instructor will log in at tracprac.com and select the evaluation tab at the top. They will then select the course Nursing 499. This will open a list of any submissions that have selected your name. You will see the status showing midterm draft in progress. To access that student's evaluation, click the action View Detail. Once the evaluation opens, please review the student details on the page. Select the options for the learning plan and midterm grade at some point before submitting the midterm evaluation. To advance to the next tab, click Save and Continue in the bottom right corner. Step 2. You may skip the student guidelines and instructions for the students. You may skip by clicking Save and Continue in the bottom right corner to advance to the next tab. Step 3. Instructor comments are added per competency. You will see there are 7 competencies listed in the evaluation form. There is a comment box at the bottom of each screen for each competency. Instructors also have the ability to select a rating for each indicator. Those ratings are required to submit the midterm or final. Please wait to select your rating until you are ready to submit the midterm or final. Once you select a rating, those cannot be edited. Please note that the instructor comments are hidden from the student's view until they are published when you submit the midterm or final. Those comments and ratings will not show also on the exported PDF until you submit your midterm or final. Special reminder, students can add comments per tab and also select ratings simultaneously while you work on your midterm or final. Please set expectations early for students so they know what is expected in their midterm or final comments boxes. Students will need to select a rating for all indicators before they are able to submit. Student entries are visible to the instructors ongoing. For navigation, please click Save and Continue to advance through each competency tab and to save any entries added per tab. Please use Previous in the bottom left corner to return to previous tabs. This also saves the entries. A legend is visible for the ratings on the bottom left corner of each tab. You may exit the evaluation at any time after clicking Save on each tab or after clicking Save Draft on the Summary tab. The Submit button will not become active for the instructor until the student has submitted the midterm to the instructor and the signature criteria is complete on the Summary tab. Here are the last steps for submitting. The final step is completing the last tab or the Summary tab and submitting the midterm. Once the student has submitted their completed midterms, the instructor can select ratings and complete the final steps on the Summary tab. 1, you will check the box to acknowledge the statement. 2, you'll type your full name for the signature. And 3, you can enter any additional midterm comments or type not applicable. You will now be able to click Submit to complete the midterm evaluation. Once clicking Submit, no changes can be made to the evaluation. This form will now open the final evaluation for students and instructors to repeat the same steps. To confirm the status of the evaluation, click the Evaluation tab again and select the University of Calgary Eval Tool. Check the status under the Status column. If it shows midterm submitted by instructor, it is complete for midterm. You may click Export to download and save a PDF copy of this evaluation. Thank you for watching this instructor video tutorial. You may access this video anytime at the link shown on the screen. Please contact support with any additional questions. Thank you.